play. Shut up. It's like. I mean, I like Pokemon. Yeah. 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 Your mic's lagging. So I mean, even if I could hear you, Devon's phone is like, that guy was screaming. What are you watching, Dave? Because that guy sounds very angry. No! No, I'm saying, what is he yelling about? Why is he so mad? So that is the most beautiful thing you've ever said in your life. That's an old... Why is that playing? That's old. No, one of my old streams played by accident. The first thing ever? I don't know. Oh, General Tso's chicken. Well, I fucked up my drop looking at the stream, so. I don't know, I haven't checked it yet. I figured I'd play a game, then end the stream and look at it. Whoa! I ain't going there, fuck that. That's death. Lagging my fucking dick off. My ping's 29. Oof. Okay, deagle me, okay. Fucking bitch. Oh, you don't want to deagle me no more? Cunt. A lot of people landed, bro. There's people here today. There's like multiple people. No, 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 no. Oh, so let me hear you need this. Yeah, I'm sorry. I tried to come in. What I did, if it does work, I'm not gonna be able to listen to music no more, which would suck, but you know what? Like I said, I would give up music just to be able to have everybody hear you guys. Because I'll just do the strat that I said for you to do when you said you wanted to listen to music. Oh, I seen you. I missed that. I didn't think it did. Because it's very old, that video was. And they've changed the settings since then. Where'd he go? I think he's resin one of them. Where'd he go? He's gotta be rezzing someone. No, there's footsteps. I don't have my glasses. Slimmy, did you just shoot me down? Oh, Slimmy, I got up there with them. God damn it. Here, I got a med kit for you. Oh, it's Slimmy's phone. I missed my shot going up anyway, so. And I didn't think that shit worked either. I gotta fix my settings. What? That's old. That's an old text. That's an old text. It's from my past stream. I don't know. What do you mean? No, it's what it does. Thank you for the 200 sparks. I still, to this day, don't really know what those are for. Wait, what? Why is Slimmy screaming? Oh, those people. I'm glad I gave you that AR. I bought it the fuck out. I always had it back. Oh, fuck. She has a turret. Oh! And I'm lagging. Why is it coming? No, but it's the only one I wanted to use because I wanted to get a clip. What? Wow. I got a mini for you. There was 2 different pumps, and I dropped you a mini there. Dave, there's a pump over here. Hey, there. Oh shit, Dave, come here. Sorry, I used one. Oh, here, take one of these. Alright, well, I dropped you a smoke. Get me up to the thingy, please. I know my rotation in this game. Thank you. That was definitely a YouTube clip right there. It'll show me, just like it showed me yours. You sent me 200 sparks. Sorry, DarkFlipz, a really good viewer of mine, sent me 200 sparks. I know, I mean, he's not the top donator of the week, but yeah, he likes my stream, alright. Slimmy, what do you want? Here, take the AR, I don't fucking need it. I gave Devon my AR too. No way I missed. No way I missed that. There's no way I missed that. Oh my god! Bro, I'm missing like... There we go. I sniped one of them. I downed one over there. They're definitely rezzing. I think they got the res off. Did they really get the res off? No, I got the one I downed. What the fuck? Why? What the fuck? I'm getting a phone call too. Hello? Huh? Okay. Okay, can you give me a minute? Okay. The storm's moving. I didn't loot anybody. No, well, I mean, after this game, I have to, yeah. There's a scar over here. And there's a sniper as well. It's a bolt action, gold. I didn't get no heals. There was minis. I just didn't get to grab them because I had to pick a phone call. Okay. As long as you guys got heals, then we're good. I don't have a campfire. There's a campfire over this house though. No, I gotta go downstairs. After this game now. Because my mom said she can wait. There's a campfire over here. Hopefully they didn't. Does anybody need any ammo or anything? Okay, well I have... Fuck, I'm gonna go down in the divot. I'm gonna go down in the divot, high ground a little bit. Okay, oh god, the default hit me for so much for no reason. Did you get the default? Are you serious? I hit him for 70 headshot. And those people behind us. Okay. I'm ass. Congratulations. If I made this YouTube video, fuck it. I don't care. I have to go. Jesus Christ.